In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create an interactive mega menu using MockFlow's prototyping feature, all in under 2 minutes. To get started, we've already designed a sample e-commerce homepage using MockFlow's Wireframe Pro editor, which is ideal for building quick and functional wireframes. Now it's time to create the mega menu. We'll begin by using the rectangular component to lay the foundation. Since it's an e-commerce menu, we'll enhance it visually by adding product images, conveniently added from MockFlow's built-in image library. Then, we'll add a subtle overlay using another rectangular component to make the text readable. To make the drop-down panel pop out from the background, we'll add a shadow effect. This can be done easily from the component settings sidebar, giving it a lifted look. Next, we'll add short, relevant text next to each image to make the menu more informative. Repeat the same step for other items, just like we did before, by adding images and pairing them with appropriate labels or descriptions. To speed things up, we'll drag and drop a ready-to-use menu component from the e-commerce web UI kit within MockFlow. These components are fully customizable, so you can tweak them to match your layout and content. To stay organized, especially when working with many components, we'll rename the drop-down panel using MockFlow's Layers feature. In this case, let's rename it to something meaningful like Mega Dropdown to easily identify it later. Now comes the main part, adding interactions. We'll link the mega menu dropdown to a Pages in the header menu by setting up an interaction that toggles its visibility when a user clicks on a page link. In the interaction settings, we'll choose a mouse click and the action, toggle component visibility, and select the mega dropdown component, along with a smooth roll down effect for visual polish. Lastly, we'll make sure the homepage is set as the primary container so that the drop-down only appears when triggered. To preview everything, click the View a button. Now, the mega menu stays hidden until you click the menu item, then smoothly appears and disappears with another click. Thanks for watching. For more MockFlow prototyping tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe.